Okay guys, coming in, we have the kitchen area first as soon as you walk in, and got some treats. They gave me some wine, sparkling wine, and a goodie bag. They gave me 2 mugs. I'm not going to show you what the mugs look like because it has the apartment name on there. And then let's see what this is. I think these might be glasses. I got one hand, y'all, so bear with me. Let me see if I can just set this up really quick. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they are glasses. They gave me some glasses. Oh, with the name on it too, so let's put that back. But yeah, so that was really sweet of them. Okay, so much cabin space, like what? So excited. Don't worry about the mess, that's from the car ride. The washer, or the dishwasher. The beautiful stove. Over here is the coat area. And then the refrigerator, microwave, stove, and then we come into the living room area and the bedroom area. This is my studio apartment, you guys, and I have a balcony. So bomb. So this is my view from my balcony. Beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to go down there and relax. Like, so bomb. Okay, coming back inside. So this is the view coming from the door from outside of the balcony. And then here in this closet is washer and dryer is included. And then we have the bathroom, my favorite. Beautiful lighting, as I was saying. I gotta make this quick, my battery's about to die. And then we have the shower. The shower is gorgeous. And then coming from the shower, we have the closet. My closet is huge, you guys. I am still in love and happy with all of the space. So I'm gonna shut the door and then back it up some. So this is another shelf, and then there's the door. So I absolutely love my closet.